I love using a pestle and mortar. I really do. Really gets you sort of involved with the cooking, and I like that. Get the energy going, and you can feel all the aroma coming up from the spices. So what's in here? Cardamom pods, because I love them. Now I like to leave the outer husk in, but that's my choice. Other people would perhaps take it out. And some fennel seeds. So tonight I'm making salmon with this sort of spicy marinade with an Indian influence. So that's what I'm just crushing up there. But in this bowl here I've got all these things: cumin, about half a teaspoon of each, garam masala, cumin, ginger, chilli, garlic, tumeric, and I use half a teaspoon of the Xylatol brown sugar alternative to sweetener, and about half a teaspoon of sesame oil. I would have used a mustard oil of some kind, I couldn't get any. So this is going in, but could use fresh if you like, but this is what I've used. Just going to pop that bit of fresh chopped up coriander in there as well. Can't get enough coriander in my life, absolutely love it. Now, just going to add a little bit of lemon juice into that. And splash of, ooh, all over the place. Splash of cider vinegar. Like I said the other day, I always get the one with the genie in it. It's supposed to be healthier. Don't know how true that is, but you know, tastes good. So that's it. That's my marinade for my salmon. Now usually I would have 2 pieces of salmon, but I really want to keep an eye on my portions this week, and also my pennies. So that's going over. Now you could fry this or you could bake it however you want. I'm going to actually put mine in the oven. So I'm going to start it off with foil on it for about 10 minutes and then take it off afterwards to brown it off a little bit. It should only take about 25 minutes at the most. So there we go, but having the foil over will slow it down a little bit. I'm going to start it off about 160 and then turn it up to 180 without the foil on, and with a bit of luck, oh, I'm going to pop these in as well, sorry. Got some of these little baby peppers just to go alongside there. They're going in too. I'm having that tonight with a lovely salad, and I'm really looking forward to it. Hopefully it'll be really good. So the salmon's just come out of the oven. It's just resting to the side. I'm making myself a lovely, it's kind of a mint dip. Just a teaspoon of sauce with some fat-free yogurt and some seasoning. I love this chilli and garlic seasoning. I'm just going to put a few dollops. Ooh, going around. Maybe I should have thinned it out with a little bit of milk. But I didn't, did I? It is what it is. I love that saying, it is what it is. When everything goes wrong, I just say, it is what it is. Let's just get on with it. And that's how I get on with negativity. Can't do anything about that. It's done and dusted. So I've cooked myself a Weight Watchers wrap. Just a bit of spray oil on it and some of the chili garlic salts. That's going on the side. And here is my fish. Just move Darren's curry out of the way. And I just need a way of getting these out. Let's pick these up. Put those there. On the side like so. Ooh, very hot. Okay. And look at that salmon. Looks amazing, doesn't it? I hope I'm not going to break it. It'll make me very sad to break it. Don't want to break it. Don't know what to use. Maybe I used the wrong thing to cook it on. There we go. Whew. How about that then? So there is my scrummy dinner. And that is all no count. How amazing is that? Now, you could do some rice, brown rice if you wanted with it. Or you could do some cauliflower rice, which I really like. Or you could do some potato wedges. You could have anything you want. There's so much choice on no count. There's nothing like it. Now, I'm going to tuck in to my scrummy marinated Indian, sort of a, not tandoori as such, but it's in the nod of that direction. Scrummy. One last look before it gets eaten. Yummy.